Have you ever laid in bed, staring at the ceiling, as the rest of the world sleeps soundly? The house is quiet. The street outside is still. You glance at the clock. It's 2:17 a.m. You close your eyes and try deep breathing. You turn on your side, flip the pillow, maybe even get up and walk around for a bit. But sleep still won't come. For millions of people over the age of 60, this isn't just an occasional rough night. It's an ongoing pattern, a struggle that quietly drains their energy day after day. The silence grows louder, the darkness feels heavier, and the hours of the night seem to stretch endlessly. You might remember a time when you could fall asleep the moment your head hit the pillow. Now, you lie there wide awake, your mind racing through memories, worries, or simply wondering why it's become so hard to rest. Sleep, once natural, now feels like a mystery. Tonight, we're diving into a topic many people avoid, but so many need to hear about: sleep struggles after 60. Why nights feel longer. If you're over 60 or care for someone who is, this video will not only give you answers but offer some peace. Stay with us till the end, because understanding the why behind these restless nights might just be the first step toward rediscovering restful sleep. And more importantly, it will remind you, you are not alone in this journey. As we grow older, so many things begin to change. Our physical health, our energy levels, even our daily routines. But one of the most frustrating changes can be in the way we sleep. You might find yourself waking up far earlier than you used to, unable to fall back asleep. Or maybe you're taking naps during the day just to make it through. Then, when nighttime comes, you're still exhausted, but unable to truly rest. What's going on here? Let's break it down. First, there's melatonin, the hormone our body naturally produces to help us fall asleep. As we age, our melatonin levels drop significantly, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. Then there's the shift in our sleep architecture. Older adults tend to spend less time in deep sleep, the stage of sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed, and more time in lighter sleep stages. That means you're more likely to wake up from small disturbances, and getting back to sleep isn't always easy. Add to that the common health conditions that come with age: arthritis, back pain, digestive issues, or enlarged prostates for men, and you have more reasons than ever to be woken up at night. On top of that, medications prescribed for chronic conditions can also interfere with the body's sleep patterns. Even simple bladder changes can lead to frequent nighttime bathroom visits, disrupting your natural cycle. These changes don't mean something is wrong with you. They are natural parts of aging, and understanding them is the first step to managing them. While the physical changes to sleep are very real, the emotional impact of those changes can be just as challenging. It's hard to describe the frustration of lying awake for hours, knowing you need rest but feeling completely powerless to get it. And after a few nights like this, the emotional toll begins to build. Irritability, anxiety, sadness, they all start creeping in. It becomes harder to enjoy your day when you begin it already feeling depleted. Over time, sleepless nights can quietly lead to more serious emotional and psychological struggles. Many older adults report feelings of loneliness, especially during the night when the rest of the world seems distant. At 3 a.m., with nothing but your thoughts and a ticking clock, the mind tends to wander. You may begin thinking about loved ones you've lost, regrets from the past, or fears about the future. These thoughts, amplified by exhaustion, can become overwhelming. Some even begin to associate bedtime with stress, dreading the moment the lights go out, knowing another long night lies ahead. Sleep deprivation has been linked to depression, memory issues, and increased risk of cognitive decline. And yet, many seniors won't speak up about their struggles, thinking it's just part of getting old. But the truth is, no one deserves to suffer silently. Acknowledging the emotional burden of sleep problems is not a sign of weakness. It's a courageous first step toward healing. The good news? You don't have to accept poor sleep as your new normal. While aging does bring changes, there are many proven ways to support better rest and reduce those exhausting, restless nights. Start with your routine. The body craves consistency, especially as we age. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, can help reset your internal clock. And don't underestimate the power of a calming pre-sleep ritual. A warm bath, soft music, gentle stretches, or even a cup of caffeine-free herbal tea can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Another tip: reduce screen time after sunset. Phones, tablets, and even televisions emit blue light, which interferes with melatonin production. Instead, opt for a printed book or calming audio content. Be mindful of what you consume in the late afternoon too. Caffeine can linger in your body longer than you might think, and alcohol, though it might help you feel sleepy, disrupts your natural sleep cycle. Exposure to natural light during the day can help regulate your body's circadian rhythm. Try to get outside in the morning or sit near a window when having breakfast. Make sure your sleep environment is cool, dark, and quiet. A simple fan, blackout curtains, or a white noise machine can do wonders. And perhaps most importantly, speak with your doctor. Some sleep issues may be connected to medications or underlying health concerns. Don't be afraid to ask for help or mention your sleep problems during checkups. You deserve restful sleep, and it's never too late to make it happen. If you've found yourself staring at the ceiling, asking, "Why can't I sleep like I used to?" know this: you are not alone. So many people over 60 struggle silently with sleep, thinking it's just something they have to live with. But the truth is, restful nights are possible again. Sleep is more than just closing your eyes. It's about peace of mind, physical comfort, emotional healing, and a feeling of safety. When you lose sleep, you begin to lose parts of yourself, your energy, your joy, your sense of purpose. But each night is a new opportunity, a new chance to take small steps toward better rest and brighter mornings. If this video helped you or reminded you of someone you love, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends or family who may be struggling quietly. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel. We share stories, advice, and support for seniors and their families. Because your health matters, your sleep matters, and most of all, you matter. Until next time, be kind to yourself. And may tonight be the start of better rest ahead.